What's up guys, hope you're doing great today. The weather is pretty rough in Finland today, but we're still washing the F30 and we are going to restore the fog lights. And I decided to use a turtle wax headlight restoration kit, and let's see how it works. Hopefully it will get us great results, and I will show you how you can apply that. But yeah, without further ado, let's get going, and first step is to wash the car. Okay, as you can see, both of these lamps are in a pretty rough condition, and one is better than another one. This is the worst. Both need restoration and to get those look like a new. But let's get into it, and hopefully we can get good results. And so we are going to use this turtle wax headlight restoration kit, and I will show you what it contains. So the package includes one protective glove, one lens brightener, 2 wipes, and one sandpaper which is 2-sided. Let's start with the more scratched one, and first of all you need to make sure you use this green side first, which says 1, and you must rub it like up and down motion, and then when you move to the second brown side, which is marked number 2, you must change the way you sand this. You don't do any more up and down, instead you do like side to side, so it will make a different pattern than the first one. But let's get going. You need to make sure this surface is wet. So first of all, you just spray a little water. And when it's wet, you just start sanding.
One time for the girl that got away, 2 times for the bub I'm about to spray, 3 times for the power that I pray to.
Okay, and then you will change the side. Use the brown one. You will sand this from left to right, as you just did up and down.
I'm just rapping for a cause, the life, the fame, the life's the game. We break the laws, don't like to change. Wanna win you back, but I hate to lose. I know that you're the one, but it's hard to choose.
And when you feel like you have sanded those down enough, you will take your brightener and a microfiber cloth, and you will then apply the brightener to each. Then you have to take another microfiber cloth which is dry and just rub it off. And you might want to do this twice to get best results. After you have done the brightener part, then you have 2 ceramic acrylic wipes, and you will swipe each light with one of these. And this should be done pretty fast, and after that you just let them dry for 24 hours.
And proof to you I'm not the average guy. It's just my flaws that they magnify. And when it's real you don't have to try.
Okay, so now I have let those dry for 24 hours, and well, I'm a bit disappointed to the throttle wax kit because this didn't work as it should. As you can see, these are pretty much in the same condition as in the starting point, so yeah, I wouldn't recommend this. Maybe this one got a little bit better, but not perfect in any means, and yeah, and this one is still in pretty rough condition, so I'd say it's pretty much at the starting point. So this turned out to be a pretty different video as I planned, but yeah, hopefully you find this educational, because, well, I don't recommend you to use this one. I think there are better alternatives for the restoration kit, but that's pretty much it, how you can done it with any kit. So yeah, hopefully you got something out of today's video. Please make sure you hit the like button if you liked the video, and subscribe for more content in the future. And I see you in another one. Peace.